Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change a background in Filmora. If you have selected a background which is not according to your needs and want to change it, this video is for you. First, open the Filmora app on your mobile device. Then select the video where you want to change the background in. After you've selected the video, you'll see many options on the bottom. Simply swipe until you see an option called background, which is right next to an option called scaled. Then tap on it. Here you can either import a background from your gallery by tapping on the plus icon on the style section, or you can simply use colors. After you're done picking your background, tap on the tick button, and this is it. Now you guys know how to change background in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.